Welcome to my channel. My name is Cle'era and welcome if you are new, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today's video, as you can see by the title, is how I got these twists. I guess you could say they're Senegalese twists. I know we're in a day and age where a lot of us are doing our own hair, doing our own braids to save some coins, to save some money, because baby, we don't have time or the funds. Maybe it's just me. I bought the hair from my local beauty supply store. I live in Los Angeles and there are tons of beauty supply stores literally everywhere. Okay, I had to go grab the hair. I got the jumbo size, so it has like the three, you know, and I got it extra soft. The soft gives like that silky look and that silky texture that I really like. The brand is Boss, I guess, and I got it from my local beauty supply. I already said that. I got 5 of these packages, but I only ended up using 2. That's perfect for knotless styles. I actually just saw that. It's 54 inches, so it's pretty long. So it's like down here in my butt. I think you save more money by getting the packages that have like 3 or 6 in them, honestly. So I would get that. That's what I used. It was enough. I still have 3 bags left because I got 5. Stay tuned for this video so you can see how you can achieve these beautiful braids, or just to find something very entertaining and inspirational. If you like these braids and you want to do something very similar, stay tuned to see how I got mine. Okay guys, so I am starting off on freshly washed blow dried hair, and I am starting in the back, just parting maybe about an inch or 2 worth of a section. And y'all, I'm using this 3-dimensional, I don't know what you call it, mirror. It has changed the game for me. It has allowed me to get straight partings without having to stress so much about how straight my part is. So yeah, I'm getting my part pretty straight back here and deciding, how big I want these sections to be. And here you can see that I've decided how big I want them. Yeah, so this back section was pretty much a test for the most part. I was trying to figure out what exact size I wanted. I basically decided. So yeah. Also guys, the next thing that I got that has been a huge game changer for me is the hair separator. Now I know I've seen girlies use this before, but I have been asleep, y'all. This mirror and this hair or braid separator has allowed me to speed up my braiding process, and it just makes life easier, okay? I will also have products to my Amazon store linked below if you are interested in purchasing. Now, you see I switched rooms. I started on my hair the night before and decided to finish the next day. Shortly realized like this area was not working, so I had to kind of switch around and move around. I got most of my lower back section done and completed, and I'm just showing you guys a little teaser of how I am braiding my hair, or twisting my hair. So I braid all the way to the bottom. Okay, so now I'm on the next section of my hair. Again, this mirror has been a game changer. And here you can see I'm just parting my hair about an inch worth of a section. Then I'm taking my jam and smoothing everything down. The jam does help to make the part a little bit cleaner. So that's all I'm doing right here. And then I go back in with my jam and smooth down that part where I'm going to be braiding. I didn't intend on making my braids this big, but I also wasn't trying to get them super small. Overall, I think I like the size that I came out with. So yeah, if you like the size, these are how big I'm doing my partings. So here is just a close-up of how I am getting started with the twist. So I start with braiding my hair, I guess you can say twice through, and then I hold down and I add a piece of hair. So this is kind of like how you would braid knotless braids. except we're starting off with a knotless braid and then twisting, just so it looks more natural and doesn't have that big knot at the scalp with a twist. Like, to me, that just doesn't look good. I personally don't like that look, so this method I used the knotless braiding method and then began twisting down. So I braid probably about like 3 to 4 times down, depending on how thick or thin my hair is in that section. This one I think I braided about like 3 or 4 times down. And then I just begin twisting. It's kind of hard to explain like how much hair. You will just be able to feel, and you can separate the hair so it feels even, and then begin twisting down. Then when I get to like the end of my natural hair, I take some jam and smooth that down because you don't want any pieces sticking out, and then continue to twist down. So here you can see I've completed most of the back of my hair. I just think it looks so good. I love it already. Just continuing the process of what I showed you guys before. All throughout my hair, it's about 1 inch big. And again, I'm just making sure everything is even. I comb throughout this section and then I begin to part away. You also want to make sure with each section that you begin braiding that you're combing or brushing your hair, because you do not want any unnecessary tangles or knots in your hair. I'm speeding this process up because it's pretty much the same. However, in this section, I'm showing you guys how I'm actually adding hair. So this is how we're looking so far. I can already tell I'm going to love how it comes out. So on this section, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I'm adding my hair in. So again, I start with braiding my hair. I probably braid some of them. I like just start with adding the hair. Like I get started with the braid and then I add the hair, or I'll braid twice through and then add the hair, depending on how thick or thin my hair is. So here my hair was pretty thick. Also, does anybody else love this part of the scalp? Like when you're braiding or putting tension on it, like it just feels so good on the center of the crown of my head, the crown of my scalp. Anyways, and also, since this part of my hair is a little thicker, I do take the comb and comb the ends of my hair. And then I am adding hair towards the bottom or midway through braiding down. Me personally, I like consistency throughout my braids. Like I hate when it gets from being so thick and chunky to skinny at the ends. So for me, adding hair just keeps it all one size. I don't do that for every single braid, but yeah, I'm just choosing random spots of my hair to add it in, just as if you were to add in knotless braids. Also, feel free to slow down this video and rewind it back so you can see how exactly I'm adding this hair in and twisting down. It's pretty easy as long as you have a flow and a good idea of how to twist down. Adding the hair, you don't want to make it too complicated. You just want to put the pieces in between the two and just continue twisting as if you didn't even add any hair. We are all done. This is the final look. I am obsessed. I love the size. They did come out a bit too long. So here I'm cutting. I tried to like step back a little bit so you guys could see how long they were and how much I'm cutting off. I also did dip the ends in hot water. I just didn't record that part. But yeah, I dipped them up to like 5 inches up from the bottom of the hair because I don't want them to be super skinny at the ends. So I'm just cutting off some hair. I ended up cutting more off than what I'm showing you guys because they were like down to my butt crack and I do not like braids that long. So I ended up cutting more off than what you can see here. But I am obsessed with them. I do love them. Also, I'm pretty sure I mentioned in the beginning of the video that these were 54 inches. I will still get that length just so I have the control of how long I want them to be. But yeah, these are the final results and I'm just obsessed with them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe. I absolutely love them. I did not expect them to be this big, but here we are. They're super lightweight. This did take me like 2 days, but it's only because I was taking a lot of breaks. This could have honestly taken me 5 hours. That's what I was aiming for, but you know, I just kept taking breaks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to, please hit that like and subscribe button if you like my content. Thank you for watching. Bye.